Beautiful souls. Over 50? Want extra income without battling confusing tech? You're not too late. In fact, this might be the perfect time. Whether you're retired, semi-retired, or just ready for a new chapter, these ideas are low risk, require zero fancy tools, and are great for beginners. Let's dive in. 1. Local errand services for seniors. People in your own community need help, from grocery runs to prescription pickups. Start by offering services on Facebook groups, community boards, or through word of mouth. No website, no apps, just reliability and trust. Bonus, you're giving back while earning. 1. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals. Many busy professionals and travelers need trustworthy care for their pets. You can register on sites like rover.com or go old school with flyers and local ads. This is perfect if you want fresh air, gentle exercise, and a little side cash without screen time. 1. Rent out a room or storage space. Got an extra room or unused garage space? Platforms like neighbor.com let you rent your space to people who need storage. No guests, no hassle. If you're comfortable with it, Airbnb is still a great option for extra income. This hustle works while you sleep. You don't need to know tech. You need to, what do you enjoy? What skills or space do you already have? Start. And remember, starting small is starting. Want more ideas like this? Visit dbimmerreliefnet at dbimmerreliefnet.com today.